Welcome to a new video from the Color Vistas brand. Today, we're diving into a frequently asked question. Can you use sublimation ink on Waterslide paper? If you're a crafter looking to create custom designs on all sorts of surfaces, this video is for you. I'm going to break down everything you need to know about combining these two materials, the best practices for great results, and some tips to troubleshoot common issues. Let's get started. Let's begin by understanding sublimation. Ink and Waterslide paper. Before we dive into how to use sublimation ink on Waterslide paper, let's quickly cover what each of these materials actually is. Sublimation ink. This is a special type of ink that transforms from solid to gas without becoming liquid in between. When heated, it bonds with polyester-coated surfaces, creating vibrant and permanent designs. This is why sublimation is so popular for printing on fabrics, ceramics, and metals. Waterslide paper. Waterslide paper is a type of decal paper that you can use to transfer designs onto almost any smooth surface. It has a water-activated adhesive backing that allows you to slide the design off the paper and onto your chosen item. It's great for customizing things like mugs, glass, wood, and plastic. So, can you combine these two? The answer is yes, but there are some important steps to follow to ensure your designs turn out perfectly. So, let's talk about combining sublimation. Ink with Waterslide paper. Using sublimation ink on Waterslide paper is a bit different from traditional methods. Here's how you can do it. Print your design. Start by printing your design onto the glossy side of the Waterslide paper using your sublimation printer. Make sure your design is high resolution and properly aligned to avoid misprints. Dry the print. Let your printed design dry for at least 10 minutes. This step is crucial to avoid smudging and to ensure the ink adheres well to the paper. Cut out the design. Carefully cut around your design, leaving minimal excess paper around the edges. This will make it easier to apply the design smoothly onto your chosen surface. Prepare the surface. Make sure your surface is clean and dry. Any dust or moisture can interfere with the adhesion of the Waterslide paper. Apply the design. Submerge the cutout design in water for about 30 to 60 seconds. The design will begin to separate from the backing paper. Carefully slide it onto your chosen surface and smooth out any bubbles or wrinkles with a squeegee or your fingers. Seal the design. Once the Waterslide decal is in place, use a heat press or a hairdryer to set the design. For added durability, you can apply a clear sealant over the top to protect your design from moisture and wear. Now it's time for choosing the right printer for sublimation on Waterslide paper. Not all printers are suitable for sublimation, so it's important to choose one that's compatible with sublimation ink. Here are some options. Purpose-built. Sublimation printers. These printers, like the Sawgrass SG500, are designed specifically for sublimation. They offer high-quality prints and are easy to use. Check out the link in the description to learn more about the best sublimation printers. Converted printers. Some printers, like the Epson EcoTank series, can be converted for sublimation by using sublimation ink instead of regular ink. This is a more affordable option if you're just getting started. Large format printers. If you're planning on doing bigger projects, consider a large format sublimation printer. These are ideal for printing on larger surfaces like banners or big photo panels. Remember, using the right printer can make all the difference in the quality of your sublimation projects. Let's now look at tips for successful sublimation. Ink and Waterslide. Paper projects. Here are some tips to get the best results. Use high-quality materials. Invest in good quality Waterslide paper and sublimation ink. Cheaper materials can result in dull colors and poor adhesion. Practice on a test surface. Before applying your design to the final item, practice on a similar surface to make sure you've got the technique down. Seal your design. To make your design last, always seal your Waterslide decal with a clear acrylic spray. This will protect your design from moisture and wear. Avoid overheating. When using a heat press or hairdryer to set the design, be careful not to overheat. Too much heat can cause the decal to warp or peel. Now it's time for discussing troubleshooting common issues. Sometimes things don't go as planned. Here are some common issues and how to fix them. Blurry or faded prints. This usually happens if your printer settings aren't correct. Make sure you're using the highest quality print settings for Waterslide paper. Bubbles or wrinkles. This is a common issue with Waterslide paper. To fix it, smooth out the decal with a squeegee or your fingers while it's still wet. Peeling or lifting edges. If the edges of your design start to lift, it could be due to insufficient drying time or a lack of sealant. Make sure to let the design dry fully before applying it, and always seal the edges with a clear spray. Interested in creative project ideas? Keep watching. Using sublimation ink on Waterslide paper opens up a world of creative possibilities. Here are some fun project ideas. Custom mugs. Create personalized mugs with photos or designs that stand out. Use clear Waterslide paper for light-colored mugs and white Waterslide paper for darker ones. Decorative plates. Make custom plates with intricate designs or family photos. These make great gifts or keepsakes. Photo frames. Add a personal touch to photo frames with Waterslide decals of favorite quotes or decorative borders. Home decor. Customize glass vases, candle holders, or even furniture with unique Waterslide designs. The possibilities are endless. Here are some final thoughts. So, can you use sublimation ink on Waterslide paper? Absolutely. It's a great way to expand your crafting skills and create beautiful custom designs on a wide variety of surfaces. Just remember to use the right printer, follow the proper steps, and seal your designs for long-lasting results. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found these tips helpful. I'll leave links in the description for some of my favorite sublimation supplies and tools to get you started where applicable. Don't forget to check out my website for more in-depth guides and resources on sublimation and crafting. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.